I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Alex, where are you going? Where you going? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. What's over there? I don't see nothing. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. I'm gonna get you. No, you can't. No, not in the laundry room. I got you. I got you. Better go back that way. No, not the shoes. Not the shoes. Not the shoes. Not the shoes. Okay, go. No, not Grady's shoes. Let go. Okay. Alex. Oh, goodness. You're blocked off from there, buddy. Move your head. Where are you going? Can't go in there. Can't go in there. Come on, Alex. Let's go. We gotta go for the day. Where you going? No, not the shoes. You're gonna go up the stairs? I hope not. Alex. I'm gonna get you. Are you leaving without me? Alex? Are you leaving without me? What? Hey. Hey, you. Hey.